Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and here we have a Volkswagen approved used Golf Estate GT edition. This is a 2.0 TDI 150 PS DSG finished in a lovely deep black pearl paint. This fantastic motor also features your upgraded Art Velour upholstery to enhance your comfort of your driving experience. So walking to the front of the car, we've got your LED daytime running lights that illuminate the road as well as making you more visible to other road users. And then moving around, we've got your 17-inch alloy wheels that pair really well with the silver roof rails and the chrome inserts. You've got your remote folding door mirrors, which will keep your car safe when left parked down narrow streets. This car also features your rear tinted glass, and it's also covered at just under 2,000 miles from new. So to access the boot, you just simply press the Volkswagen badge in and lift. Then opening up, we are greeted with a huge boot space which is expected from a Golf Estate. It goes all the way to the back. If you find yourself needing any more room, then the back seats also fold down, and then we've got your spare wheel under here as well. And then moving into the rear, you've got your upgraded Art Velour finish that really does look amazing as well as being extremely comfortable. Got a good space to fit 3 full-size adults. When the armrest is back in, you've got your ISOFIX fitted in 2 of the rear seats, making it safer and easier for you to get in any child seats in and out of the car. And then moving to the front, I'll just give you an overview of the lovely finish. You can just see how comfy the interior looks without even touching or sitting on it. Got some storage underneath the armrest, so this is handy for any small belongings or valuables that you don't want out on site. And then we've got your touchscreen interface where we can access your car's features and functions, so including your DAB digital radio for all your music entertainment. And then going into App Connect, you'll see that you can pair your phone to the car. So this basically turns your entertainment system into more of a workstation, which is great if you've got a busy lifestyle. And going into telephone, you'll find that we've got a Bluetooth telephone connect, making this easy for you to make phone calls through your vehicle, which again is ideal if you have a busy lifestyle. And we've got your driving profile selection, offering you different settings that will change both your car's performance and your driving experience. We've also got your fantastic front and rear parking sensors. This will make manoeuvring and parking much easier for you. And then moving down, we've got your 2-zone climate control to keep both yourself and your passenger comfortable. You've both got separate controls. And this car also features the winter pack, including your front heated seats, which is a must in the colder weather. Then down here, you've got a USB to charge your media devices. Got your automatic gearbox with your electronic park brake with auto hold. Got a couple of handy cup holders. I'll just give you a close-up of the seat. And then moving around, we've got some stunning gloss black inserts, adding a nice detail to the vehicle. We've also got a cooled glove box to store snacks on long journeys. And then over here, we've got your multifunction steering wheel. You've got your instrument cluster. So here we can access your adaptive cruise control, which is great for those long stretches on the motorway. And then using these controls, we can shift through your options on your instrument cluster, which is a lot safer as it will keep your focus on the road. And down here we've got your automatic lights for your convenience. This car does come with your electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors to reduce any condensation. You've got all your electric window controls just down here. So I really hope you love the car. If you'd like any more information, then please give us a call. Thanks for watching.